entering the programming mode. Press and hold the yellow programming button. After 2 seconds, turn on the main switch. After 3 seconds, the buzzer sounds. Do not release the button. Wait 7 seconds. You will hear the buzzer a second time. Release the button to enter the programming mode. There are 7 programming steps. After each step, the buzzer will sound and then move on automatically to the next step. The first step is to tell the sensor where the panel is positioned in the motorhome in relation to the forward driving direction. Move around the panel by pressing and releasing the yellow button until you have made your choice. Then release the button. You will hear a beep of confirmation. Step 2 selects the option which checks if all the jacks are touching the ground after leveling. Number 1 is default. Only choose a different option if one of the jacks does not touch the ground. Step 3 selects the type of jacks mounted on the chassis. Step 4 selects the auxiliary output. It is disengaged in default. Step 5 selects the time span of the impulses when leveling, depending on the weight of the vehicle. Step 6 selects the X-axis or Y-axis leveling precedence. The X-axis is recommended for heavy vehicles. Step 7 selects the maximum vehicle tilt required. Now enjoy your leveling experience outside the vehicle using your remote control.